Does the dock on your Microsoft Surface Duo or Surface Duo 2 look like this? Is it black rather than transparent like you have seen it on other people's devices? Well, there is a very, very easy fix for this. What we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings by swiping down from the top twice and clicking that settings icon there. We're going to go into apps and then see all apps. We're going to click on the search in the top right and type in whatever you need to get the Microsoft launcher. Click on that. We're going to then click on permissions and then scroll down, and maybe you'll see an allowed or maybe you'll see it in not allowed. You're looking for files and media. Now you want to make sure that it has files and media permission set to all management of all files. Now if it's already set to this, you're going to want to hit don't allow and then set it back and reconfirm this again. Once you have done this, when you go home, it should reload and you should now have a beautiful transparent dock. I see this question being asked all the time on Twitter, in the YouTube comments, in the subreddit. Pass this around to help some people out.